Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to join Minecraft 1.16 in Android phones via Wi-Fi hotspot. So here's what you're going to do, because what we used to do is the host will be turning on the hotspot and then the joiner will turn on the Wi-Fi. So that's what we used to do when we are joining our phones without internet. So the correct way is here. So I'm going to teach you how to join Minecraft. So first, if you're the joiner, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot or mobile hotspot. And if you're the host, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi, because you can't turn on your, oh wait, let's turn off this. So here's what I'm going to advise you. If you didn't see your world yet, so don't turn on your Wi-Fi, and then if you see it, so then you can turn it on. You can turn on your Wi-Fi. So first I'm going to show you what's happening if you're the host and then you're not going to connect into a Wi-Fi. So if I open it, then I'm not connecting to a Wi-Fi, then I need to turn it on. So I'm going to open this world. So if you're wondering what's the phone I'm using, the host is Vivo and the joiner is Samsung. So here it's generating world. Okay, then as you can see, let's wait, there, the multiplayer game is not turned on. That's what the problem when you're joining the game. If you're the host and then you turn on your hotspot and then the joiner is the Wi-Fi, so that's why you can't see your friends when you join. So here's what you're going to do. So I'm going to quit this game again. I'm going to quit this game. I'm going to open this world again. So just wait X so that it won't be lag. So then, no way, oh, I think it's the wrong world. Oh, I accidentally pressed the other world. Oh man, I hate this, man. Let's wait. Oh, it's the right. Okay, okay. Let's save and quit again. Let's wait. Let's wait. So just follow what I'm doing. Then here, I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to any Wi-Fi without internet. So then open your world. Oh, it's lagging, man. Why it's lagging? So wait, no, it's lagging. So okay, I need to close. So first, turn off your Wi-Fi. Don't turn on your Wi-Fi if you didn't open your Minecraft yet and you didn't see your world in Minecraft yet. So just wait. So then it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. So my cousin is very loud and very I hate this. Okay, then here it is. I'm going to change my skin because I don't want Alex and Steve. So here, so let's play and then turn on your Wi-Fi. Connect to any Wi-Fi without any hotspot. So if you have a joiner, so the joiner needs to turn on its mobile hotspot so that you can connect to a Wi-Fi without internet. So that you can turn on your multiplayer game and then you can see your friend. So that your friend can see your world. So then if we open this settings, boom, now the multiplayer game is on. So what you need to do is you turn off your Wi-Fi, because if you won't turn off your Wi-Fi, you can't play together, because you need to connect to any Wi-Fi if you want to join on your host. You can't join if you can connect your Wi-Fi. So what you need to do is to turn on your mobile hotspot, because we open the world and the player game is turned on. Then you turn on your hotspot if you're the host. You turn off the Wi-Fi when you're the host, and then turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. And then for the joiner, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi, and then you need to connect to the host. Connecting, so let's wait. It's connecting. It's connecting. Why is it happening to me? It's too slow. Oh man. Okay. Oh, as you can see, connected without internet. Then, oh, let's just wait. Let's don't turn as I'm saying. Don't turn on your Wi-Fi if you didn't open your Minecraft yet and you didn't see your world yet. So here, I need to open this world, this Minecraft. If you can see your world, then oh man. Oh, okay. Then turn on your Wi-Fi. Connect to the host. Need to connect to the host. Oh, let's just wait. Okay, it's connected. Then here it is. You need to X play. Oh, it's not working. Oh, I forgot. If you're the joiner, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi first before opening the Minecraft. So I forgot. I forgot. So wait, just wait. This my Vivo phone has a problem. If I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi and then open my Minecraft won't work. So if your phone is like my phone that has a problem, so it's your problem. No, just kidding. Just follow what I'm doing. So then I'm going to play, and then there it is. You can find your friend. So then I'm going to show you a proof that this is real joining. So there it is. Good Brian joined again. So I'm going to find me in a staircase. So there's the name of my Samsung phone, the joiner. Then I'm going to go to the host. So I'm going to fly. There it is. So I'm going to turn there. So I'm moving now. There. So that's how you join. That's how you join Minecraft via Wi-Fi hotspot. So that's all, and I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, because I need your help now, so that I can make more videos and I can make more tutorials. So stay safe, and I hope you like my video. See you next time.